Hello, this is a review on BMLIN's 280U on Jordan 1 Smoke Gray. I've worn this pair for about, I guess, around 5 months, and I've only cleaned it once, so this is how it's held up so far. There's not too many flaws to it. You can see the Air Jordan logo. The TM is kind of fucked, and it kind of says Air Jordan. And the wings placement, I think it should be tilted a bit more, but that isn't really too big of a problem. And the red dye from I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but the red dye, or the red paint or whatever, is coming off one of the laces. And also, there's some part here. This one only happens on the inner swoosh, where you can see it's turning black. It's on the other pair too, and it's not there on the outside swoosh, and I don't know why that is. I don't think it is from dirt, because, well, since it's only on the inner swoosh, I think it could be from this swoosh right here. Maybe some of the dye or paint is rubbing off from it, but it's not too big of a problem again. And this is the creasing. This is it doesn't crease flat. If you how do I say this? You can see multiple parts of the shoe. Like this part here is creasing. It's not just this part right here. And at some point this had an hourglass. You can't really see it anymore, but it had it. This came with black laces, by the way. It didn't come with white ones. And this is the bottom of it. Here's this part. And this is the little stars on it. These don't pop out too much, which are good. And for the swoosh should be a bit more pointy on there. And the swoosh is kind of curved, or too curved right here. But it's not really noticeable. And the corner stitch is what that looks like. And with the Nike Air logo right here, let's get it better. The N, you can see in the middle of the N, it's kind of fucked, especially on the R right there. Excuse my dirty nails. I think it's like that on the retail pair too. It looks like that. And here's this on the other side. Name in the stripe, trademark, whatever. And on the insoles, the Nike Air that was originally there is rubbed off. If you can, yeah, it's not there on both pairs. Here's the Nike tag. If you can see it, that's fading off. Also, I don't even think it's right as well, or if it looks right, but it's the inside tag, so no one's gonna be looking inside your shoe. Yeah, and there's a little glue stain there, or not glue stain, paint stain. And the suede, or the fabric, or whatever it is, it feels really rough now, as in or just definitely not suede, but the fabric, it feels kind of rough, but it looks fine. And this right here is fabric as well. The swoosh is fabric, and that's it. I know Wood Table Guy has these for 200 yuan, or around that price, and BMLIN has another batch of it for 180. But if you wanted to pick these up, these are really good. Again, I've never been called out for it. I've only gotten compliments. And this was about $120 Canadian. Should be something like maybe $90 American. This was shipped with BJ EMS and took around 12 days to arrive to my house in Vancouver. So this is the review. And if you wanted to pick this up, I think you should. Or you could try buying the budget batch for 180 yuan. But that's it.